Namaste and hello everyone. So guys, Mahashivratri has already started, and so behalf of that, first of all, lots and lots of wishes behalf of this day, Mahashivratri, and may some miracle happen in your life on this day and after that. This is my good wishes for you all. So guys, I know a lot of video reels have already been spread and they are getting viral, like what remedies, what rituals you can perform on this date, today's date. So I am not going to add any another some remedy or ritual, but just this is a small reminder that you may visit Shiva temple, you may offer milk, water, white flowers that we every time do, or else I know a lot of people from years they are performing some rituals that have been said to them, so you can do those rituals also. If possible, you can fast on this day, this is what I would say, but here I will say that only if it is possible for you, then only do all this. Om Namah Shivaya mantra chanting you can do, yes, how much ever times you want, but I would say don't force on yourself. Do it for 108 times, then give break, then again you chant, guys. This is what I would say. Don't force on yourself. If you have never done anything like this, I would say please don't force on yourself, your body. This is what I would say over here. And guys, on today's day, one thing I would like to add over here is, if possible, please prefer wearing light colored clothes like white, light blue, sky blue color, or yellow, that too light yellow, and all such colors, because today is such an auspicious day that a lot of spiritual energies in universe they are activated, and our body being somewhere spiritual, our body attracts those energies. If you wear dark color clothes, then it would really create little issue in attracting those energies. Your body will face little issues. So if possible, please prefer wearing light color clothes for today. This is what I would say, guys. Another thing I would say, guys, if possible, only if possible, you can stay awake for the whole night of this Mahashivratri. This is what I would say. And what you have to do is, by staying awake, watch video reels, doing time pass, and also stuff. No, guys, you have to sit straight. You have to literally sit calm, straight. You have to meditate as much possible and keep your spinal cord straight as how much ever possible. It will really give you benefits. This is what I would say. But this particular thing, that staying awake the whole night, only if you know that the next day you won't face any acidity issue or so, only then you do this, guys. This is what I would say. Or else it's okay, you do not do that. Whatever you have done till now, whatever you are doing till now from years, you can continue with that. But before ending this video, I would like to say one thing, guys. Please do not force on yourself. Please do not force your body. And yes, make sure that whatever you're doing today, it is not affecting you tomorrow, like your health is degraded or you're facing acidity issues and all such stuff. If you're fasting, make sure that you're having some or the other thing, guys. Just don't literally, you're not eating anything, you're not even drinking water or any coconut water or something. Please don't do something like that. From time to time, have something which is related to fast. So this is what I would say. Thank you.